The issues that we're tackling are really relevant to the world. Food, innovation, animal and human health, water scarcity, all of the key issues that are going to define us as a society in the next few years are what we're researching right now. The thing about the University of Guelph is this community feel that we have. It's not one person gets ahead of the other, it's about the whole community gets ahead.
We focus on people, we focus on building relationships, we focus on engagement and ensuring that every single alumni or friend feels that there's a place here for them at the university.
I had the opportunity to develop the stewardship program in OAC from scratch, to try new things that may or may not have worked, but learn and do course corrections along the way to build a stronger program each and every year.
So I see an opportunity for the Director of Alumni and Annual Giving to come in and really create a vision for this portfolio. And I see this leader as taking a lot of risks and figuring out what's going to be the best thing for our alumni and constituents.
There's a lot of new trends that are happening in fundraising. With a team of people who really want to try new things, one of their greatest opportunities is that they'll have a team backing them, ready to try new strategies.
The largest opportunity I see with this director role is using technology, thinking about not just the top institutions that have been doing philanthropy for the last 400 years, but business. And what are the key things that businesses are doing that we can relate to?
One gift that really stands out for me, she was really interested in creating something meaningful to honor her mother, who was a tireless advocate, supporter, and friend of the Indigenous communities. We worked with her to create a fund that would allow students to travel to these communities, get to learn from elders and learn about storytelling. It stretched beyond our campus. It's impacting a community. It's allowing our students to learn outside of the typical classroom.
The opportunities are endless for what we can be fundraising for. That's really neat because then you have to have a different lens on everything. So if somebody has a lot of interests and has a lot of different passions, there's room for all of that in this position and at the University of Guelph. So that's kind of cool, that's exciting.